Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, staying home and staying absolutely fine. So today I'm going to talk and review about an amazing product which I recently got from Nykaa. Well, it's been, a month that I've been using this product, and from the time I have received it, trust me, I just cannot stop using it. I'm using it every single day, to see the staying power, the consistency, so on and so forth, and basically to give you all a detailed review about the product. So let's begin with today's video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and kindly take a moment to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. So let's begin with today's review. So guys, the product that I'm talking about is from the brand Nykaa itself. It is none other than Nykaa Take a Brow Eyebrow Filler. Now this is the product that I'm talking about. Now let me just talk about the outer packaging. Now it comes in a cardboard like packaging like this, wherein you have got all the detailed, everything is mentioned here. First of all, let me just say that it is a paraben free. The shelf life is 2 years. It is no animal tested and dermatologically tested. Now, apart that, all the ingredients are also mentioned here. The shade number and the shade name is also mentioned right at the bottom. Now let me talk about the product. Now the product comes in a very sleek container like this. It's a plastic container and it's a well secured cap. Now but before that, one thing which I really liked about is we generally do not tend to keep the outer packaging, we kind of dispose it. But there is a label given right here wherein, you have also, the company has also even given the manufacturing date, because, it is very important to know that when the product is getting expired. Well, again, it is written that, it's made in Germany. Apart that, the shade name is also mentioned right here. Now, if you can see, if you can hear, there is, a slight sound coming from here that I really don't know what is the sound exactly. Maybe they have put something that is there inside which keeps the powder, from clumping of that sort, maybe. Now, the best thing about the product, I would say the applicator. If you see the applicator, it has got a small sponge tip like applicator, and it is very soft. Let me show you all the shade. Now this is a dark brown shade, and it is going to suit majority, majority all Indian skin tone, and we have, generally black hair and dark brown hair. So this color is going to go with all skin tones. Now, before I proceed, I will, talk about the cost of the product. As I think I forgot to mention, this is a 1 ml product, which I think is pretty decent. The cost is 525. However, Nykaa, we always, in Nykaa, we always get some or the other discounts or sales. It keeps on happening. So if you, whenever you see there is a sale or discount happening, I would highly recommend go for it. Let me just give a quick demo and show as to how I define or fill my eyebrows. Now, if you see today when I've done the makeup, I haven't filled in the eyebrows because I wanted to do a live demo in front of you all. So let's just start. But one thing is there, guys, it is absolutely, definitely, it's a fuss-free kind of an eyebrow filler, no doubt about it, but it is highly pigmented. So when you start applying it, be very careful, because since I said it's highly pigmented, once the color, if at all you try to draw with the applicator, somewhere it goes on top or down, it is very difficult to remove. So be very careful. Now while doing, I know that sound is kind of irritating, but then nothing can be done. Okay, so when you start drawing your eyebrows, always start doing it from here instead of doing it from the beginning of the eyebrows, because otherwise it's going to get too dark and there'll be a harsh line indeed. So yes, let's begin. So I'm just going to start from the middle of my eyebrows. And I am going to extend the line a little bit, not too much though. Okay. that's about it. Now if you can see the difference between the two, this of course I have done it in front of you all, and this I still need to do. So there's a lot of difference once your eyebrow is done. Your, I think the totally, you know, your complete makeup game changes. As you can see, I just extended my eyebrows a little bit. That's it, I'm done doing my eyebrows, and if you can see, I'll give you a close look as to how I have done and how it's looking now. So the before and after is definitely pretty visible. I think you all can understand the difference. If you see this part, there is a huge difference, you know, after I've done my eyebrow. So guys, I would highly recommend this product to any person who is actually looking out for you know, an eyebrow filler or a definer. So that's all for today's review. I hope you all have enjoyed it. If it was helpful to you all, though it is definitely, it's not a recent launch in the market. It's been, I think, 2 years now, but since I bought it recently, I was like, you know, even if I can help someone out there who is looking for an eyebrow filler or a definer, it would really mean a lot to me. So with that, it's a wrap for today's video, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you did, then please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video on my channel. Till then, take care, stay happy and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye bye.